Entertainment by BDO.
Dito sa Cavite, siya ang pinuno. Dito sa Cavite. Pero paano na lang sa Morong? Sa Batangas?
Isa lang ang sentensya sa isang traitor.
Hindi pa tapos ang paglilitis!
Anong blood type mo?
Ano naman connection ko dun?
Baka gusto mo i-donate yung bato mo, yung kidney mo. Ready daw silang magbayad ng 100,000 pesos.
Nandito ako ngayon sa Libo-Libo Basilan kung saan mga alas 8:30 ng umaga ay nagkaroon na ng enkwentro ang mga militar at ang miyembro ng MINF na tinatayang nasa 300 katao.
Anong pakiramdam sa loob ng palasyo? Sarap ba?
Ulat pa kayo. Hindi niyo ba nakikita ang progreso kabi-kabi?
Is no easy task. Despite the 5 years that Cinemalaya has held the competition, a process that takes an entire year, culminating in the month of July, when the finished films are screened and judged. And despite the increase in audience viewership, attention and goodwill, the challenges never seem to stop coming. This year in particular, the entire production process was challenged by questions of artistic freedom and independence, issues that often arise in a collective art form, which is at once an art, a science, and a business. This year, for the first time, all the competing entries will be screened on high definition. Another significant addition to Cinemalaya is the participation of the 5 established directors in this year's competition in a special section called the Director Showcase. This year, the themes range from rites of passage in Limbunan and Mayohan, politics and the culture of politics, old and new, in Vox Populi, Sigua, and Angelina's address on the fashion. War and its impact on people in Recruit and Pink Halo-Halo. Human and organ trafficking in Halal and Dominant. Blood and ethnic ties in Magkakapatid, 2 funerals, and the Living. Coping with change in Sitechi, Siteknoy, at Wannabe. And a day in the life of the Filipino in Sampaguita. To the competing films and directors of the New Breed and the Director Showcase, and to the short film finalists, congratulations.